Welcome friends. We are discussing about different segments of interview, and just now you might have heard this topic: communication, verbal and non-verbal. I can give you certain tips how this communication part can be mastered so that you can become an excellent candidate in front of any interview board. For this purpose, some kind of practice is required. Normally, for any interview, there are some common questions which are being asked, like introduce yourself. We would like to know more about you. Why you are leaving the earlier job, for those people who are already working. Tell us something about the project which you did during your graduation or post-graduation course. Why do you want to join this particular institution for this particular job? What are your credentials to suit to the requirements of this job? This list can be never ending. Some of these questions, definitely any candidate, you are getting it. How to practice? There are certain tips which anybody can do. It is something like converting milk or extracting ghee from the milk. If you have raw milk, you have to boil it, you have to convert it into curd, take out butter, again convert it into ghee. Exactly the same way, your answer should be something like ghee. The knowledge part and all, that is the raw material which you are having. For coming to this level, prepare answers for common questions like this. Once you prepare the answer, please ensure that your answer should at no point of time be more than 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. For interview for civil services and all, you will be having ample opportunity to explain your viewpoint in great detail. But for interview to say executive post in banks at the initial level, normally the interview will be maximum for 10 to 12 seconds. So you are not having much time. Answer should be restricted to 90 seconds. If the panel members would like to know more about it, let them ask. But from your side, you are restricting every answer to a maximum time of 90 seconds. Once you prepare answers for these kinds of questions, introduction part, I will give you a separate video exclusively on that because of the importance. I consider the interview or the foundation for any interview is the introduction which you make. I will give separate ideas on that. Once you prepare the answers, you are ready with the answer, never by heart it, because once you try to by heart these answers, there is every possibility you land into difficulty. Have the idea, explain it the way you can, because already you are in a particular level. Practice will make you perfect. Once you prepare the answers, what you should do, you can take the support of your family members or friends also for this purpose, but you can do it alone also. You stand in front of a mirror about say 10 feet away. Then walk towards the mirror as if you are entering the interview room. You can just watch yourself whether your eye contact is okay. Are you standing erect? Whether the shoulders are okay? Whether the smile is on your face? These things you can observe. Repeatedly do this. This will make you perfect to enter the interview room with all confidence. Once you master this, it can be done with regular practice within 1 or 2 days. There is absolutely no problem. Once you practice this, master this, keep a chair in front of the mirror, facing the mirror, and sit on that chair as if you are sitting in the interview room. Exactly the same way, same posture, eye contact, smile, erect, hands on your knees and observe yourself. Are you sitting okay? Are you comfortable? Whether there is a smile on your face, whether there is tension on my face. All these things you should observe. Then, as if the entire panel is there, you answer one or two sample questions like introduce yourself. What was the project which you did in your engineering course? Something similar to this. Tell me something about your family. Tell us something about your family. These answers, you just try to answer as if you are sitting in front of the interview panel. Once you do this, you can observe what are your lacuna. At times fluency may not be there. You are likely to forget certain vital points. You may be in tension. There may not be a smile on your face. There may not be a proper eye contact. All these things one by one you have to correct. If possible, take support of your family members to give critical comments about your performance. And those comments, take it very seriously, improve upon that. This should be done repeatedly till you are confident about yourself. One more thing you can do. All we people are having a smartphone now. Whatever you say, you can record it in your mobile and listen to it conveniently to find out about the lacuna in your expression. Whether something is to be changed, some improvement is to be made, these things you can do by yourself. These two things, preparation of answers for certain typical regular questions which every interview board will ask you, and entering the interview room, walking towards the chair which you have to occupy, sit on the chair, look at the panel members, proper eye contact, answer it in a proper way and correct yourself wherever you have to. These two things I can tell you will make you a very confident, very comfortable candidate. This should be an ongoing process till the interview date, because the improvement, as we discussed earlier, improvement has got no boundary line. So you can always improve. You can always correct yourself. Friends, I can assure you this simple step will make you a better candidate. It can correct lot of lacuna which you are likely to have. It can improve your confidence, and ultimately your success is depending upon your confidence, and confidence will be coming only with practice. Practice, build confidence, achieve success as if it is your birthright. Okay friends, thank you very much. I will come out with another video on how you should introduce yourself in every interview. Thank you very much. All the best.